Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna make this cool ARGB light bar and you can control it through smartphone app. It will be fun to make, right? So let's make it. So subscribe the channel before starting the video and let's get started. First of all, we need a LED tube. You can get it from the local market. It costs around 60 to 70 rupees. We don't need this LED strip, so keep it inside and let's move forward. We need a addressable LED strip. Count the number of LED which can fix in the case. And cut this LED according to your need. And I have cutted 15 pieces for this work. Here I am using Wemos D1 Mini. It is small in size and easily fit in the case. Check the circuit diagram in the description. Now connect ground to ground, 5V to 5V and data in to D4. I am using this kind of DC socket. I drilled this kind of hole for fitting the DC socket. Now solder positive to 5V and negative to ground. Open this link from the description. Download these files to your system. There are both Mac version and Windows version available. After downloading, open the file. Now select the COM port and add this file. You can get it from the description. Then click on flash. Now the flashing is done. Now open your smartphone Wi-Fi and click on WLED AP and the password is WLED1234 and then click connect. You will automatically pop up to this site. Here give your home Wi-Fi username Then give your home Wi-Fi password. Then save and connect. Then it will automatically connect to your home Wi-Fi. For controlling this light bar, we need a app. Go to Play Store or App Store and search WLED and download the application. Now open the application and click the plus button. Now click on search and it will automatically found your WLED. After searching, click the right button. And this is the app interface. Go to Wi-Fi setup and check the settings. Now click on segments and untick it. Now click on LED preference. Set the number of LED. Here I am using 15. And set it to GRB. Then click on save. Now the whole programming and the app configuration is done. You need this kind of 5V adapter. Now open the application on your smartphone and play with lights. There are a lot of effects and colors provided by this app. You can set the speed, brightness, intensity and many more. It look awesome, right? So comment down below. So guys, how's the video? Hope you have enjoyed it. So give a like and subscribe to our channel. Support us and stay tuned. Now enjoy the cool effects.